Hey, folks, what's up, people? And today I wanted to do something a bit different for you. And I wanted to just give you a sound that can calm you down. And this is not like a regular episode kind of thing, but I just thought that I just did some field recordings of some sounds, and one in particular that you might actually like. Yeah, that's just the sound of rushing water. It calms me down sometimes when I hear sounds like that. Let me know what you think about this particular kind of style. Do you like it? Do you want to hear more sound effects, like just something to soothe you down? I'll give you a note in the description, like soothing sounds, part one, part two, part three, part four. Hey, let me know. Reach out to me at ITSEOBA on Instagram. And it's as always, this is another episode of the Double AK podcast. Take care. It's a beautiful day.